Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the realm of electrical testing and diagnostics, digital clamp meters have become indispensable tools for professionals and enthusiasts alike. These compact and versatile devices are designed to measure electrical current without the need to disconnect circuits, providing convenience and safety. As technology advances, so does the functionality and precision of these instruments. To aid you in choosing the right tool for your electrical measurement needs, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best digital clamp meters. These selections have been curated based on their performance, accuracy, user-friendly features, and overall reliability. Whether you're a seasoned electrician, an electronics hobbyist, or a DE enthusiast, these digital clamp meters are sure to meet your demands and provide accurate readings for various electrical applications. Let's dive into the details of these top-notch devices that stand out in the crowded market of digital clamp meters. Number 5. GVDA GD166A GD166B GD168B Digital Clamp Meter. First and foremost, the build quality of this clamp meter is excellent. It feels sturdy in hand, and the compact dimensions make it easy to carry around. The weight of 0.45 kg adds to its portability, making it a convenient choice for both professional electricians and DE enthusiasts. The GD166 series offers a wide range of measurement capabilities, including voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and temperature. The 6,000 count digital display provides clear and accurate readings, ensuring precision in every measurement. The inclusion of true RMS technology enhances its accuracy, making it suitable for both AC and DC measurements. Number 4. Habotest HT208D Digital Clamp Meter. The first thing that caught my attention was the robust build quality of the HT208D. The durable construction instills confidence, making it suitable for both professional electricians and DE enthusiasts. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during prolonged use, and the clear labeling of buttons and functions contributes to its user-friendly nature. The digital-only display of the HT208D is clear and easy to read, even in low-light conditions. The large backlit screen allows for quick and accurate readings, and the responsive buttons make navigating through different measurement modes a breeze. The inclusion of a hold function is particularly useful when working in tight spaces or when you need to record measurements without the meter in view. Number 3. VEVOR Digital Clamp Meter. The VEVOR Digital Clamp Meter boasts a sturdy and durable construction. The build quality is impressive, giving it a robust feel that instills confidence when handling it in various working conditions. The ergonomic design also ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver during measurements. This clamp meter truly shines when it comes to performance. It excels in accurately measuring both AC and DC currents, providing a reliable reading every time. The 6,000 count display offers a clear and easy-to-read interface, allowing for precise measurements even in low-light conditions. Whether I'm working on household wiring or automotive projects, this meter has proven to be a versatile and indispensable tool. Number 2. GVDA GD169A Digital Clamp Meter. The first thing that caught my attention was the sturdy build quality of the GD169A. It feels robust in hand, and the compact dimensions 238mm, 46mm, 86mm make it easy to handle in various work environments. The lightweight design at just 306 grams ensures that it doesn't add unnecessary bulk to my toolkit. The operating temperature range of 0 to 40 degrees centigrade allows me to use this clamp meter in a variety of conditions without worrying about its performance. The durable construction suggests that it can withstand the rigors of daily use, providing long-lasting reliability on the job. Number 1. UNI-T UT210D UT210E Clamp Meter. First and foremost, the UT210D UT210ES compact dimensions make it incredibly convenient to carry around, whether I'm working on a project at home or on-site for a job. Its sturdy build ensures durability, so I never have to worry about it failing me when I need it most. The range of measurements this clamp meter offers is impressive, covering everything from microamps to hundreds of amps, millivolts to hundreds of volts, and milliohms to tens of megohms. This versatility allows me to tackle a wide array of electrical tasks with confidence, knowing that I can accurately measure whatever parameter is necessary for the job at hand. Thanks for watching this video.